fix Roblox not opening on Microsoft Store. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can fix your Roblox not opening on your Microsoft Store. For that, you have to go to your Microsoft Store on your PC here. After that, you have to search for your Roblox game here. After opening the Roblox on your Microsoft Store, here you have to check if there is any update available or not in the Roblox. So here you have to see that. After that, you have to go for the setting on your PC here. So here you have to go for your PC setting. So here you have to go for your app here. Once you have here, you have to go for your Roblox app on your setting here. Search for the Roblox here. Once you have go for that, go for the advanced option, and on the advanced option, you have to scroll down and go for the repair and reset. So here you have to go for the repair option, and then also you can go for the reset option. So with the help of this process, you can easily fix your problem. So this is the way. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.